Well, as graduation time comes, I'll be getting out of school soon, within a couple days or so. And I figured I'd start working on my computer desk since I'm done with all my homework, and all of my graduation shit, so I decided to work on this computer desk. It's a project that I've had in mind for quite some time now. Wanted a custom computer desk that just has just tons of room for my desktop, extra monitors, just plenty of room to put shit on it. Oh, gotta get some light on. Shit. Some more light. Alright, today I'm gonna start making little, I guess, cross members, little beams to go across here for central support for the big sheet of wood that I'm gonna put over this. So what I'm gonna do is find out what the actual inside width is and cut those boards to length. And I think I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. So it looks like at 2 feet, distance of 2 feet between each board. So it would be starting from the very end of this board here. Go to 2 feet here. That's one board, and then from there we go to another 2 feet. That's 2 boards, and then we go to our last marking. That is 3 boards. So now I need to make 3 boards at a length of, let's see, let's call it about 26.5. Okay. Alright, here are my cuts. Made my markings for the other side so I can get these somewhat square. And I use the square to double check that. So now I just have to get them positioned, make sure the other 2 pieces fit, or all 3 pieces fit. I know one of them does. And then I'll just start drilling and putting screws in. This is looking good so far. That's rock solid now. So yeah, as you can tell, I got one more board to put in. And then it looks like this will be ready for installation of the board on the top. Got the maple. Nice maple wood. It's like a plywood, laminate or whatever, but it's looks pretty good. Well, the length this is exactly 8 feet in length. So I'll have this that'll show, which is actually okay. It does look kind of good. It does look good. It'll be like this on that side. I'll have to bring this over a tiny bit. But I might add in a trim or something right here on the edge. And now it's just a matter of cutting this to the width I want. Well, I got that sucker cut down. I had to use the jigsaw, so it's not the straightest cut, but it's okay. It's nothing the sander can't handle. I mean, this is going to be the backside anyway, so what the hell. But yeah. That's it, alright. That's perfect. Now I just have to get it on there and tack the edges down. Let's make sure everything's all good to go first, and then I'll start tacking it down. And then once I'm done tacking it down, make sure all the nails are in. and then sand it down with 220 grit sandpaper. Wow, how about that? This is awesome. And I think I know what I'm going to do for the sides here. Well, we have this leftover trim, and it'll give it a little bit of an overhang. But I think that would look kind of cool on the edges. Yeah, I'm gonna go with that. And then I might get a wider piece, a 4-inch wide piece to go up here. Oh, that would look nice. And then maybe put something like this over that. Yeah, that'll look nice. I'll do that later, but before I finish this up, I'm gonna put this in. Wow, look at that. I had to take a speaker out just to get this to fit in here. Oh my god. I have to sit in my chair a little bit lower. I guess this just gets in the way a little bit, but you know what? I don't care. This is much more comfortable than using that plastic table. But look at that. That stereo is level now. It doesn't have this high point. My monitor's level. That monitor's level. I could put my laptop here. It'll be level and flat. You know, I could have my laptop right here, over here, down there. I have plenty of room for it now. This desk barely fit in my room. I had to take the door off. I had to undo the hinges and take the door off. And then it was just, you know, like prying this thing in here. But I mean, like, my mom sat on it, and, you know, she weighs like 270, and she sat on this thing and it held up. It didn't even bend. I mean, look at my framing. And I'm using 2x4 stud boards. Not quite finished, obviously. Still got some more things to do, like I said.